A rapidly moving house fire causes a violent explosion at a home in the US. Authorities in southern New Hampshire are investigating after a police officer was shot while responding to a reported domestic disturbance at the property in Brentwood. Aerial images show large flames erupting from the roof of the house, then a massive explosion. Firefighters had to base themselves several blocks away for safety reasons. By the time they could get to the property, it was completely engulfed in flames. The fire spread to nearby woods, threatening neighbouring homes. The condition of the officer who was shot is unclear, and there are currently no details on what happened to the shooter.